How are you today, Vicky?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm just stressed.
You're stressed?
Every time I come here, I get stressed because
You should not be stressed. It's a swimming lesson.
to my neck.
All right, look. We will try to improve first your breaststroke. It's something you're more confident to do. Okay, so you show me what you can do on breaststroke, and let's try to get some better skills today. Okay? All right, let's go. Okay. All right, Vicky. All right. Okay. Okay. The idea of the breaststroke, I think you got this, is to glide forward, okay, with your hands on the surface after your frog kick. So you kick like a frog on the side and you glide. But for now, your hands are doing two big circle movements, and you're sinking a little bit. So the idea is when you kick, put your head deeper under your arms and put your arms on the surface of the water. Don't go deep with your hands. And then when you move your hands, right, you move your hands with a little circle and you go back. So you do a small circle, chin up at the beginning. Bye, Aliso. Breathe at the beginning and kick and stretch. Breathe at the beginning and kick and stretch. Your arms more soft, not a big, okay, but a small one. Breathe at the beginning, kick, stretch forward. Try again. Yeah, fine. So breathe and kick. Less big. All right, stop. Okay, so you're not doing what I asked you to do.
No? I thought you was on the surface.
Your hands are closer to the surface, but you are breathing after the pull. Why? What you do, you pull first, then you breathe after. That's what you do. You don't pull first, you chin up first. So you wanna breathe? Chin up now, and then pull in the same time. You wanna breathe? Chin up at the beginning, then pull. What you do is pull, after the pull, chin up, so you're late for your kick. Okay? So instead of doing one eye pull, two eye chin up, you do chin up and pull in the same time. Chin up and pull in the same time. All right. Allez, go. Too late. No, stop. It's again the same problem. You pull and then you chin up. No, chin up first. Let's go. Allez, let's go. Okay. Yes, you have to kick if you want some speed, okay? So get your speed first, kick and go. And better. Chin up. Chin up. Chin up. There you go. Okay. The timing is better now. You chin up first, and while you chin up, of course you will pull because you need your hands to get your heads a bit higher, right? But you don't pull, then chin up at the end because your kicking will be too late. Your head will be still up in the water when you will do your kicking. So what you have to do now is to go up with your head when you start the pull, not after the pull. So you see my hand, I pull, I go up with my head. After my breath, chin down, and then you kick and stretch. So go up and breathe, kick and stretch. Go up and breathe, kick and stretch. You go up first, you pull in the same time. You don't pull and then after breathe.
Synchronize.
Yeah. Yes, your head goes up first. What decide? Yes, your head will decide. It starts from your head. Breathe, your hands will follow. Trust me, your hand will follow your head. Think your head. You finish to glide, heads up and pull. Allez, let's go. Kick and glide. Kick and glide. Kick and glide. Okay. Kick and glide. Kick and glide. All right. Okay. Now, the idea is not to breathe up to the sky as far as possible. Whoa. Just keep your mouth close enough out from the water to look forward. When you breathe, you pull breathe up, look forward, kick and glide, chin down. Okay, you don't chin and look at the sky. Your eyes doesn't go higher than just the water level, huh? So you just keep your mouth very close to the surface and you don't look up in the sky, huh? You just look forward and back on the front. So try to go less like this, but more like shh, shh.
Because if you go up there and then you will have no power, you will sink there.
Yeah, after you will start to do like going too deep after, going too high after. Okay, so less amplitude in terms of height. Okay, but otherwise timing is better. So chin up when you pull, just chin up less. Okay, and look forward. Let's go. Okay, and kick. Breathe and kick. Breathe and kick. Okay, breathe and kick. Breathe and kick. Breathe and kick. That's better. Breathe and kick. Okay, all right, it's getting better.
A little bit better.
Okay, look now your kick. The breaststroke is about the kick, powerful, exploding to get speed. Okay, you need good kick if you want to swim good breaststroke because it comes from your legs, the speed. So when you kick, you need to kick strong on the side, in the same time close your toes back to the middle, okay, and accelerate the movement. So it's not kick, touch, it's more like kick closing with a fast speed when you do it. So, and kick, there is an acceleration, and you get ready, open your toes, kick and close, and kick and close. So there is a huge acceleration to give you the power. Okay, for now, let me see how it looks like. I hold you. Okay, be horizontal here. Be horizontal with your legs. Okay, show me how you do your kick.
Wait.
Yeah, just do it. And kick and close. Kick and close. Kick and close. Okay, your feet are okay. All right. Hey, stay here. Bring your knees closer to your chest, slightly closer to your chest. Okay. Open your toes, not outside the water. Your legs need to be in the water. If you kick in the air, it will not work. Your feet need to stay in the water. Okay, it's near to your butt, but in the water. Kick and close in the water. Kick and close in the water. I don't want your feet to be outside the water. Keep your feet on the surface, but not outside the water. Kick and close. Kick and close. Okay, and kick and close. Kick stronger. Kick stronger. Kick stronger. Okay, you forgot to open your toes. Open your toes and kick stronger. And kick stronger. Open your toes, kick stronger. Open your toes, kick stronger. That's good. That's what I like. You feel when you open your toes, you have more water to gut. Okay? That's when you get the power.
Yeah, I hope I remember everything at the same time.
It's not about remembering, it's about feeling it. You feel it?
No, I remember the head and the hand and the...
It's fine. Vicky, you can do it. Show me again. There. Kick and close. Better. Only one kick. Okay, stop. You got to choose one kick only. One kick.
No, why
pull.
should I do two kicks?
One kick, pull. Okay? It's just a rhythmic. Kick and glide, breathe. Kick and glide, breathe. Kick and glide, breathe. It's just rhythmic. Try again. Kick, breathe. Kick. One kick. Stop to try to confuse yourself with many think. You just feel it. Don't overthink. Feel it.
Overthinking?
Yes, because you start to confuse. I can see you move your legs, then you stop your legs, you move your hands. You think so much. Just feel it. Glide on the surface. Breathe and kick. Breathe and kick. Breathe and kick. When you kick, you stretch. After you pull and you breathe. It's simple. Just do it and feel it.
Okay.
Breathe and kick. 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 Okay. Try to breathe earlier. You need.
I did it again.
You wait too long before you breathe because your speed is really slowing down. You need to don't wait to slow down before you breathe again. The idea is to keep your speed at the same at the correct level of speed. You cannot almost stop gliding before you decide, okay, I need to pull again. You need to, if you are very good on the glide, you can glide long. But if your glide right now, your glide is not as good than it should be because your kick is not as powerful than it should be. Okay, so you have to move your hand a bit more. So breathe, kick and glide. Breathe, kick and glide. Breathe. What you do is breathe, kick and glide, and you wait too long. It's like you are almost no more speed than before you decide to go again. So it's very hard to get a new speed because you almost stopped. So look at mine. I want you to get that rhythm. Breathe and kick, and breathe and kick, and breathe and kick. Just do it this way. Okay? Chin up and chin down. Chin up, chin down. The rhythm is kick, breathe, kick, breathe, kick, breathe. Okay? Not kick and nothing else. Keep the rhythm. And kick and breathe, and kick and breathe, and kick and breathe. Glide, 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 glide. There's better. Okay, stop. All right, Vicky, come here. Stop. You feel your speed is more now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's better. Okay. You're still a bit too much horizontal. Huh? You're not a bit diagonal. You need to be more horizontal. So try to get your body more horizontal when you glide, not like this. Less sinking, and chin up earlier. You like to pull first, then heads up after. Try to do heads up when you pull. You see, I want to pull.
Is it a common problem for all the other students, or?
It's actually pretty common, yeah, for what I have seen for the one who are not initiated to breaststroke like this. So heads up, and then your pulling will follow up. Okay? Don't pull, and then when your pulling is finished, heads up at the end. Okay? Because your kick is not matching the timing of your head. You need to pull and breathe in the same time, then kick and look down. Pull and breathe, kick and look at the ground. Okay, when you kick, chin down, look at the bottom and glide with your hands stretching. Last one, otherwise it's good. I go. I breathe and kick. Breathe and kick. Breathe and kick. Breathe and kick. Don't forget to explode your legs. Kick and explode. Kick and explode. Breathe and kick. All right, Vicky, that's not too bad. We need just to get your kick more powerful, more effective, so you can have this power to, from here, go horizontal. Breathe, because when you breathe, you lose your horizontality. It's normal, right? When you breathe, your body becomes a bit like this, and then when you kick, you go back horizontal. Since your kick is not super powerful yet, it's hard for you to go back on horizontal, but the timing is better now. All right, remember this for today?
Okay, I remember this
Say,
for today.
okay, thank you, Vicky.